Social software is something that's been gaining an awful lot of recognition in academic circles. Initially, a lot of the drive came from basically technologists who wanted better ways to communicate with themselves. So blogging came largely out of a technical community and individuals who wanted better ways to share with each other. And they wanted it for very practical reasons, because the knowledge in a technology field changed extremely quickly. But it's extremely reliant on connections that you've made with others. A programmer, for example, doesn't live in isolation. A programmer needs to connect with other programmers so that he or she is able to continue to stay current. So to combat that, the social software that we see today in the form of blogs and wikis developed in order to enable these individuals in a quickly changing knowledge field to continue to stay current and to continue to learn from each other. So social software is a really broad umbrella term that includes everything from a blog to a wiki to social bookmarking to tagging or folksonomy. And essentially, it's where, through social means, we're able to share and connect with each other. For example, if you go to a site, an aggregated suite of social software, something like MySpace or Facebook, it's a software tool that allows individuals to form connections with each other. And that's really what it boils down to, is the ability for people to talk, the ability for people to have conversations. I've started using a term recently that refers to content as being a conduit toward conversation, so that the content really leads in to our ability to talk with each other. Educationally, we certainly haven't done a good job with this right now, but if you see what's happening online, if someone posts an image in Flickr, as an example, which is an online photo sharing tool that has a degree of socialization attached, you can then go in and comment on someone else's image. You can form connections with other people who've tagged their image with the same tags that you have interests in. So your ability to share images with each other, your ability to share video clips or to share any type of a content resource is really a conduit that leads into a conversation. And I think this is tremendously important, because our learning today is one of forming networks with each other. So when our tools enable that effortlessly and in a way that's very human to us, because if you think of it, most of us enjoy dialoguing. Most of us enjoy conversation. We're social beings. And whether one adheres to the perspectives of social constructivism or community-based views of learning, it really boils down to our ability to have a dialogue with other individuals. And when we have that dialogue, we ourselves grow in our knowledge. We grow in our own understanding of our own ideas sometimes. If you look at Vygotsky's statement that words really give life to thought, that's an important concept where our ability to express ourselves and our knowing increases as we express ourselves and sort of externalize our knowledge.